Good afternoon everyone, welcome back to our channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today we got this 2002 Honda Civic. So problem of this car, we had a broken key cylinder on the driver's side, so it won't go in. I think the tumbler's already busted, so it's always open. So for today, I was gonna show you how to fix this one. I'm gonna remove a couple of tumblers or fix a few tumblers. Anyway, I'm gonna show it to you later on. So first thing first, we have to remove this door panel. So I guess I'm not gonna show you anymore of how to remove this panel. So it's just straightforward. And there's also a couple of video in YouTube of how to remove this one. I'm just gonna show you how to fix the cylinder, the key cylinder, as soon as we remove this one. Okay. Alright, so I already removed the door trim, door cover, whatever is you call it. So over here, see that nut right there, so you have to remove that. And also there's a plastic, see that white plastic right there, you have to pull it towards you. And then also over there, I don't know if you could see it, somewhere over there there's one more bolt. So it has two bolts, and there's a white plastic over there, so right there, that white plastic that connected to that rod, you got to remove that too. So two bolts, those white plastic that connected to that rod, you have to pull it, and that's pretty much it. We can remove the whole handle and key cylinder assembly. Okay, let's do that. I won't be able to show you anymore because look at we don't have enough room. It only fits my hand, and I couldn't show it anymore. So I did remove it. So in removing this is very tricky. So over here there is this lock pin at the back of the cylinder. So oh boy, I'm gonna show it to you. Over here at the back, let me get this one. There you go. Okay, over here it's located actually at the back over here. So you have to like use a small pick or a screwdriver like this, then pull it down. So again, it's at the back. Okay, over here at the back. It's really hard to see, but as soon as you remove this one, you can pull this out. Alright guys, so before you remove piece by piece, you're gonna make sure the direction. So see this, so what you can do is you can take a picture before you will remove that. There's a C-clamp right there, so just take a picture. So you know the location, the position of C-clamp. Then you can remove this one using a small, screwdriver. So just insert in there, then like this, then just make sure it won't fly. There you go. That. Then set it aside, and then so make sure the position right. So C-clamp is facing in here. So now you can remove this, and then take a picture again. So see the spring, location of spring. It's kind of, we need light there, so it's better to just take a picture. Alright, good. Now you can remove the spring. It's over here. Look at this. Go. Let's remove it. Wait, over there. Okay. So now, after we remove that, we can remove this plastic thing. Just take a picture again. You know, it's better to just always take a picture so that you can, you know, when you put it back, you have something to look in. You're not gonna miss it. Alright, there you go. And I think now we can remove this one, but before we can pull this out, I think we have to put our key in here. Hold on, let me get my key. Okay, so now let's insert key. As you can see, it's really hard to insert it. It's really we have to insert it. If it doesn't, then alright, so I managed to insert it. I put some lubrication, WD-40. Now it's already inserted. Now we can remove it. There you go. So as you can see, this is the tumblers that I'm talking about. There's an excess tumblers right here. I hope you could see it. Let me show this side. Oh, it's not really right here. See that excess tumblers right there? It should be flat. It shouldn't be not. See this? It shouldn't be sticking out. This one. Right. Maybe I'll show this one. See this thing? Shouldn't be sticking out. So what we are going to do is get a pile and pile it. So I had this small pile, then just pile it. Until, you know, it becomes round. It shouldn't be sticking out again. Like I said, something in here takes a while to do it. closer to you, right there. Sometimes when you push it, it will push it down, but just keep on piling it. Okay. Alright, so I made some adjustment. So I did remove a couple of, tumblers. So I removed 4 tumblers. Those are 4 tumblers. So it has only now 4 tumblers left. So it's very close to here. And now, it's gonna rotate now. Then can easily remove it. See that? And now you can see it. See that? Then remove it. Set it. That's how you do it. Now let's put back together. So first this one, plastic one, and this. Sorry if I couldn't show you. It's too small. Then use this screwdriver. Oh. Alright, you got here. So let me put it on first, okay? I don't wanna fly. I don't wanna make this thing, fly, and it will be. I will lose it. Oh, I did already put the spring. Now let's put this on. I think this way, I guess. Yeah, let me check that's the beauty of taking a picture of this. Yeah, I can see it in here. Yeah, this is the right way. And then the seat lamp. Let me put the seat lamp first in here. Okay. Hold on. Alright. Yeehaw! I see that. Now you can twist it, you can remove it, put it on. Look at wow, look at that. Before you could even insert it, you can only insert it halfway, then it won't lock. Now you can insert it all the way, and then you can twist it. See that thing? It will move. Hold it in the middle, then it will move. Then you can remove it, insert it. So again, I did remove 4 tumblers. 4 tumblers. That's how it is. I mean, like, it works though. I've done this a couple of times. Put also some, some lubricant or WD-40. Okay, let's put this on the car, and I'm not gonna show you that anymore. Just gonna show you when it's already installed. Alright, so it's already, well, I haven't installed the the panel yet, or the trim. So I just put that thing. Okay, let's try to lock it. Alright, let's see as it goes in. Oh yeah, now it's locked. Unlock. Woo. Oh my god. Unlock. Try to lock it. Perfect. Wow. Wow. Alright. One more time. So let's insert it. Unlock. Lock. Alright. So there you go. That's how you replace, or not replace actually, repair a lock cylinder for the Honda 2002 Honda Civic. That's on the driver's side. So I did remove, 4 tumblers. I think these are already, it's too small, so I couldn't show you what the problem is. It seems like it's, I couldn't even pick it. But anyway, if you had any question in this video, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.